So guys, today I've completed 10 blue OSDs to find out exactly what would you get on official for doing 10 orbital supply drops. So let's check this out and see what we got and what we would get if we actually did 10 on official. Okay guys, so as you can see we got loads and loads of loot. We got 232 slots to look through. So let's take a look at what we actually got. So first you've got some stone structures, you've got some pillars, you've got some foundations, you've got some wood. I don't really know why they would give you wood if they're already giving you stone. But these are the easiest ranked OSDs. These are obviously the blue ones, which, you know, it's not going to be endgame stuff. But let's just have a look. So you've got lots and lots of stone. Why these drops would want to give you stone, I'm not too sure. Especially if you're doing 5 waves of defense, you don't really want to collect stone. Okay, and some good polymer. Got a few veggie cakes, got a few saddles. Obviously they're better than primitive, but not quite ascendant. Ascendant would have been nice, but again, this is just early game. Some spark powder so we can get them bullets crafted. Some weapons. Some better armor. More weapons. So far this isn't looking too bad. Now of course don't forget this is 10 OSDs, okay, so you're not going to get 232 slots, you're going to get probably maybe 50. Okay, you've got some chitin, loads and loads of cryopods, which is good for early game getting them dinos tamed. But as you can see as well, loads and loads of blueprints to get them early game crafts going and even get some early game trades going. So there's a nice little pike blueprint there, got a pistol blueprint, got some ghillie, chitin, sickle, a better bow, a good crossbow BP. So yeah, I'm actually quite happy with this for it being what you could get 1 in 10, or what you would get out of 10 blue orbital supply drops. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you for watching the video this far, and we are actually going to be doing a OSD series on YouTube. So the next video coming out will be the next ranked drops, and I'm just going to basically do the same type of thing so we all know what kind of loot to expect from what colour in the future. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.